Understanding hell's bells, an English idiom explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a colorful English expression, hell's bells. This intriguing phrase is not just about bells or the underworld. Join us as we uncover its meanings and uses in everyday English. Hell's bells has its roots in British and American colloquial speech, believed to date back to the early 20th century. It's a mild exclamation often used to express surprise, disbelief, or even annoyance. The exact origin is a bit murky, but it's thought to be linked to the loud, attention-grabbing sound of bells that one might associate with a dramatic event. This phrase is versatile. You might hear someone say, "Hell's bells, that's expensive," in reaction to the high price of something. It can be a standalone exclamation, "Hell's bells," when shocked or startled. Despite its infernal imagery, it's not usually considered offensive and is more on the side of quaint or old-fashioned nowadays. English is rich with similar expressions. "Good heavens," or "heavens to Betsy," convey the same sense of surprise without the hellish reference. It's interesting to note how these phrases balance the celestial with the infernal, showing English's playful side with idioms. While not a common phrase among younger speakers, hell's bells has a nostalgic air, often appearing in historical novels, movies, or when someone is channeling a more vintage or retro style of speech. It's a small but fine example of how language preserves cultural nuances. And there you have it. Hell's bells is a quirky, somewhat old-timey way to express surprise or annoyance. We hope this video has rung true for you and added another phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep exploring language, and remember, every idiom has a story. Happy learning!